So today we're making a king prawn butterfly, which is quite a popular starter. So you need a Bangladeshi U5 king prawn, which you can buy in most Asian shops. First step, you peel the king prawn, but you've got to be careful so you don't take the top off. So just go around. So I've peeled it there, but I've kept the head tail on. Then you slice this bit off to give you a nice rounded edge, and then you cut the top off so it's a butterfly shape. So you check the prawn for any waste. There's usually a black line, there's not one in here. And then you've got to be very careful not to chop the whole king prawn, otherwise you're going to make holes. Just start opening it up a little bit. Then use the other side, the blunt side of the knife, to make it slightly bigger. So you have your king prawn there. Add a pinch of salt. So you get a teaspoon of our Desi-style, our own homemade spice. And then you would put it on the prawn. Then what you'll do, you get an egg. Crack the egg open. So you'll get the egg and then you'll beat the egg. So then you'll get the king prawn. Then you will just put the egg over it. So you get a couple of handfuls of golden breadcrumbs. Then our king prawn just needs to be coated in the golden breadcrumbs. So you can add as much as you kind of need. So I'll just put another handful in there. You can twist it on both sides. And then you use your fist to just make it a bit bigger. So you're punching down on it. Then you can add as many coats as you want. The more coats you put, it will get bigger. We normally do in the restaurant 2 coats, and that's generally enough. So you soak it again into the egg. And then again, you're just going to put a bit more in, punching it down slightly. And there you have it. It's ready now to go in the deep fryer. You've got to be very careful with king prawn. If it's not cooked enough, you could get ill. If it's cooked too much, it will go rubbery. So, and we're just putting it in now. So it's gone quite goldeny. Just draining out some of the oil. And then you just put a little bit of coriander. It's optional, you don't have to, just put a bit of decoration so it just adds a bit of colour onto it. And that's your complete king prawn butterfly.